Oh, what have you done?
Nothing. I just did some makeup.
You didn't do makeup. You messed it up completely. And this is what you call wasting things. And little girls shouldn't use makeup anyway. And we shouldn't use the things that belong to our elders, and that too without their permission. Have a look who's outside. And also ask who it is before opening the door.
Hold on a sec. I'm just coming. Just wait a minute. Who is it?
It's me, Ariba.
Yay! Open the door.
Assalamu alaikum. What's wrong, Ariba?
Wa alaikum assalam. Shh. Why did you please don't open the door?
But what happened? At least tell me something.
Outside, there's a witch.
Oh, Ariba, you're too much. There's no witch outside. It is Raiqa. She has put up all the makeup of Mum on her face.
Sister Ariba, why did you lock me outside?
Oh my days, I got scared. Have a look at yourself. You just look like a witch.
No, you look like a witch.
Raiqa, don't say that.
Why don't you say it to Sister Ariba? She's also calling me a witch.
Yes, absolutely. She shouldn't say it either. This is a very bad thing. Allah Almighty says in the Holy Qur'an, وَلَا تَنَابَزُوا بِالْأَلْقَابِ, and do not give each other evil names.
I'm sorry, Raiqa. I also called you with a bad name. Please forgive me too.
Well done. Both of you have done a great thing. So, dear children, you should also be careful that you do not give anyone an evil name, and do not call anyone with evil names, even in a joke.